Hey everybody, how's it going? So got a quick unboxing to do from a package I picked up from eBay. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Oh man, these videos are making me really tired. I have pneumonia, and I'm just trying to get these videos done for you guys so I can at least open them up, have them ready for when they need to be installed. We're going to open this real quick. It came from Aurora, Colorado. So I need the knife for this one. Does not look like I need the knife for this one. Alright. So that's what I thought it was. Awesome. I gotta let the eBayer know that they showed up. So this is the actual module. This is a computer four-wheel drive control module. This controls the E-locker in the rear. So this goes in the 2000 Toyota 4Runner, whether it was an SR5 or a Limited, doesn't matter as long as it had the E-locker rear diff. This box actually goes like this on the firewall, left side kick panel on the driver's side. This wiring actually wires to this switch, and then there should be two more pins in here that I'm gonna have to pick up the pins for it, and then you run these remainder pins, one to the back of the cluster, which when you push this button turns the light on the cluster on. And one of these pins should also be the light to turn this bulb on right here. And then I wire it into this guy. And this is what tells the locker to lock and unlock. So I picked this up just in case down the road any of these items fail on the 2000 Limited. As well as, maybe I will convert. It's a possibility I could use this on my SR5 to convert it with to an E-locker. My SR5 doesn't have an E-locker, but this could be used to convert it. It was 50 bucks for both of these items, so I picked them up. The gentleman was really nice. I do have to send him a message because he wanted to make sure that I can let him know, stating that I got it in mail. Comes with a bracket. He said that all of this stuff was working when it was removed. I do like that it's original plug, original switch, everything is original. Even this guy right here is original. So this plug has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins in it. But the actual switch has 5 pins. But this plug only has 2 pins in it. So I'm going to need to get 1, 2, 3 more pins to complete this circuit, which is no big deal. But just figured I'd show you guys. It is the E-locker module as well as the E-locker switch, or the RR diff lock switch. I got 2 of these switches now. One, this one, it can go into the Limited if the one in the Limited is bad, which I think it is bad because it's not making any noise when you push the switch and the light doesn't come up on the dash. So I'm thinking maybe switch isn't working. So I got 2 switches that I know that do work. The guy was pretty great. He was more concerned to make sure that I did get the items than anything else, and he even asked me to let him know when I did get them. So after the video, I'm going to go send him a message, let him know I got the module as well as the e-locker switch, or R&R rear diff lock. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video. These videos are kind of making me lightheaded, so I think I'm going to take a break on the last 2 items sitting here for a few hours or so. Maybe I'll do them tomorrow. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will try to put links down below for these items on eBay. If I forget to do that when you guys see the video, just ask me. I'll be more than happy to put it down in the comment section. Ooh, I'm getting lightheaded. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!